It takes a lot of courage to push through hard times. Never give up. Good things are coming your way. God never sends you into a situation alone. God goes before you. He stands beside you. He walks behind you. God is with you. If you love someone, pray for their peace. Pray for their growth. Pray for their success. Pray for their happiness. When you get what you want, that's God's direction. When you don't get what you want, that's God's protection. According to psychologists, hugging someone has an effect on your nervous system, like a painkiller. Spend time around supportive people. Enjoy yourself with friends and family. Instead of stressing, hang out with people who make you feel good about yourself. Give yourself permission to fail. If you never fail, you never learn. If you never learn, you will never grow. Focus on your own happiness. Do activities that boost your self-confidence. Instead of putting all your mental energy into thinking about the other person, take time for yourself. Sometimes being alone and spending more time with yourself has been shown to increase your chances of achieving success in life. If you ever feel alone, turn the lights off and watch a horror movie. Afterward, you will always feel that someone is standing behind you. 95% of women are sexually attracted as soon as they see that a man tells her what he really wants and is honest with them. Be proud of yourself for getting through the days when people say they can't see anything good in you. Hug them and say life is difficult for the blind. Women are more attracted to men who pay attention, someone who remembers details about them without having to be reminded.